Alright, we've got a 2011 Jeep Compass here today. There it is, Compass. And it's got the 2.4 liter engine in it. And this is what we're working on. I'm going to put these Mevotech Supreme ball joints, lower ball joints on here. There's the part number for it. That's what it looks like. This type has the spin on instead of the C-clip. The other types have the C-clip. These are about 40 bucks a piece on Amazon. So I'm in the process of taking this lower control arm off. This is the original ball joint here, and it's pressed in, and it's got the little swage marks on it like some of the drive shaft CV joints, U-joints, sorry. So I think that they don't consider this a replaceable part. Now this lower control arm with the ball joint on it is $250. So I think changing this lower ball joint with a $40 item is worth it. Just need to take out a couple bolts from there. I took the tie rod end loose so I could move this around a little bit. Let me get this thing off, and we'll pop this little guy out and have a look at it. Alright, so I've got this control arm out. That's what it looks like out. And this is the orientation that it sits in the car. This is the top. And this is the original ball joint. You can see that it's got a lot of movement in it. And this is the new one. Okay, Mevotech, the new Mevotech. Okay, so this one here, I hit it about 5 times. Okay, and I popped it into this sleeve here. It drives out that way. Okay, let me get this thing to fall out. There it goes. So, and the new one's going to go in a little different. The new one's going to go in from the top like this. Okay, and so you have to press it in there. Now I've got sleeves and collars and things to fit this so that I can press it together. And I've got a big old giant C-press. Where it is, it's sitting around here somewhere. There we go, I got one of those and a bunch of bushings and stuff that'll fit it. So I'll press that together in a minute here. I'm just trying to get you all the notes on what's different, because this one's going to go in a little different than the original one. And I don't want anybody to be confused. Now you can buy some other types of ball joints, because basically this is a solution ball joint to fit into this, so that you can not have to buy a whole control arm. Typically you just replace the whole thing. So that's about all I'm going to do on a video here. If you have any questions, please ask questions. You'll need some of these alignment pins or something, because when you go to put this back in there, it's cockeyed at an angle pretty good, and so you're going to have quite a bit of a time to get that back in there because all this junk's in the way. So just be careful, go slow. It'll go together. It'll just take a little bit of finagling. And some of those little pins, the bolts that come out have full threads on them. Have threads all the way. So once you get this bolt going in there and get it turning, it'll work its way up in there. You can see the top of it right there. It's not too hard to get to, so you can see what's going on. So I hope this helps somebody. Y'all have a good day.